Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome. Welcome to my another episode of Casual Talk. Before we discuss about the humanity and mankind, and we discuss about demand, want, and need of a person, and characteristics and attributes of a person. If we talk about need and want of a person, then there is no limit. So we should know that about the what is our need and what is our want and what is our demand. If we talk about man, then man is nothing. You know that we born at at an early stage, and after all, there are so many intervals in life, yeah, and we go move towards upward. Then we see that there are a lot of stages in human life cycle, so that they accommodate according to their lifestyle and their life pattern. So you know about how to if we say about the life, that there are many stages of life and how to live. So when we see that human beings are made up of a very, if we say about the structure, the structure is very weak and the structure is very sophisticated. When we see the whole the structure of our body, then there are so many complexities and sophistication present in it. When we move, when we walk, then we care a lot of things about how to manage and how to carry our body. When we walk, then we see here and there that if any traffic is coming or not, or any car is not coming, or any motorbike. So in order to avoid the accident, or in order to avoid the different scenario present beside or alongside with them. So when we as discussed before, when we walk, when we move, then a lot of factors present in them. So we know how to we should know how to cross the roads, cross the ground, and cross many river alongside, and so many and so on. When we don't care about that if we move upward or downward or alongside or on the road or on the ground, then our complexity and our sophistication is very ununderstandable, that we can't imagine and what could happen next. So our structure is very weak, our structure is very, you know, nothing. Our structure is made up of cells, tissues, and bones. Bones may be broken. Our skin like an organ. So there are so many sophistication and complexities present in our body, so that we cannot carry with full capacity or with full confidence. So anything hit our body, then accident can occur, and we can not stop whatever things or whatever, like a stone, like a brick, like anything made up of steel hit our body and makes our body full of like broken stuff and like no more structure. So we should care about our body and how to move and how to walk and how to cross on the road and cross the ground. So these are the complexity and the weakness of our body that God has gifted to us. So when we think about the Land Cruiser or a house with full of garden or many luxurious items, then we should know that our structure is not supported, not fully supported. So we should think according to our structure or our base. So these are the life things, and these are all about the weakness of our system, our body system. Let's talk about the system of a whole universe. God has, as you know, that God has made up of all the universe and all the worlds. So we are very small atoms present on Earth, and Earth is like maybe a sugar point or a sugar, you know, the one piece of sugar, or maybe the salt point, a very small atom in a whole universe. So if we talk about the system, then all things are present on Earth. You know that the most abundant element on the Earth crust is nitrogen, and in air is oxygen. When we subtract or minus the nitrogen or oxygen, then there is no life. Life is no more on Earth, and we couldn't survive. So, as you know that the demand of a body are so many elements like zinc, like calcium. Zinc is for hairs or healthy hairs, and the calcium is for our bones, and sometimes iron may be present, and when we eat apple, then a lot of ferrous or iron is present in them, and it is in need of a body. And protein is also present in the fish, and we eat fish, then we absorb the protein. Different types of vitamins are also present in many foods. we take it, and according to all these fruits, vegetables, and meat, after eating them, then we take it and absorb. So all these elements or vitamins are also present in our body. So these are also present on earth, on the ground, on earth crust, sand. Many countries are have specialty. Many countries are know about these things, when they do know, and many types of elements are also present in their land, whole land, like Brazil, like China, Russia, Pakistan also, and also so many countries are present in the world that have a comparative advantage or competitive advantage, and they compete with each other. Okay, it is now to be continued. We will continue from that side, from this topic, inshallah.